When a man over 40 notices a sudden drop in his physical stamina or struggles to maintain strong, reliable circulation where it matters most, his immediate instinct is to look for heavy dietary shifts or medical fixes. But modern vascular research reveals that the absolute fastest way to relax stiff, aging blood vessels and trigger a massive surge in targeted pelvic blood flow is actually hidden inside the raw amino acids of a common backyard fruit. So, what is the exact molecular compound inside this fruit that acts as a natural vasodilator? What is the critical mistake 99% of men make when prepping it that accidentally throws away its entire performance value? And how exactly should you prepare this food today to experience a complete revival of your bedroom confidence and energy tonight? The secret behind watermelon's massive impact on the male body is an amino acid called L-Citrulline. When you consume L-Citrulline, your kidneys naturally convert it into another amino acid called L-arginine, which is the immediate precursor to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the exact signaling molecule that tells the smooth muscle tissue inside your blood vessels to relax, widen, and allow blood to flow completely unhindered. While taking standard L-arginine supplements is mostly a waste of money because your liver destroys it before it hits your bloodstream, the natural L-citrulline in watermelon completely bypasses liver metabolism, resulting in a much higher, sustained level of nitric oxide production throughout your entire body. As men cross the age of 40, the inner lining of the blood vessels, known as the endothelium, naturally begins to stiffen and accumulate stress damage. This arterial stiffness forces your heart to pump much harder just to move blood through your body, leading to chronic fatigue, morning sluggishness, and elevated resting blood pressure. The L-citrulline in watermelon directly repairs and protects endothelial function, keeping your arteries flexible, pliable, and youthfully elastic. By opening up these constricted vascular pathways, it lowers systemic peripheral resistance, dramatically reduces the workload on your heart muscle, and allows highly oxygenated, nutrient-dense blood to reach your brain, major organs, and muscles effortlessly, giving you a steady baseline of natural vitality. When it comes to male bedroom performance, the physical mechanics are entirely dependent on vascular health and pressure dynamics. If your arteries are stiff, narrow, or constricted by stress hormones, it becomes biologically impossible to maintain strong, reliable pelvic blood flow when you need it most. The powerful nitric oxide surge triggered by watermelon specifically targets the incredibly small, delicate blood vessels in the pelvic region. It forces the smooth muscle walls of these specific blood vessels to fully relax and widen, allowing an immediate, maximum volume of blood to fill the local tissues. This is the exact same biological pathway used by modern pharmaceutical performance pills, but watermelon delivers this vasodilation completely naturally, safely, and without causing dangerous heart rate spikes, facial flushing, or chemical headaches. Whether you're working out in the gym, pushing through a demanding workday, or staying active in the bedroom, physical stamina requires the rapid delivery of oxygen to your tissues and the quick removal of cellular waste products. During intense physical activity or prolonged exertion, your muscles rapidly burn through energy and produce metabolic waste, byproducts like lactic acid and ammonia, which causes that sudden burning sensation, physical weakness, and rapid exhaustion. L-citrulline acts as a powerful catalyst for the body's internal urea cycle, actively clearing out these performance-killing toxins from your muscle tissues in real time. This means your muscles can perform at a much higher intensity for a significantly longer period, completely eliminating the rapid midday or mid-performance crash that plagues many men after 40. Most men make the fatal mistake of only eating the sweet, red flesh of the watermelon and tossing the white rind straight into the trash. However, clinical urology data shows that the highest concentration of active L-citrulline is actually located right in that crisp, white area directly between the red flesh and the green outer skin. To unlock the true performance benefits, you need to consume both parts together. The absolute best way to do this is to cut off the dark green skin, but keep the white rind attached to a small strip of the red flesh. Throw this white and red mixture into a high-powered blender with a squeeze of fresh lime juice and a tiny pinch of sea salt. The vitamin C in the lime juice prevents the delicate amino acids from oxidizing, while the trace minerals in the sea salt accelerate absorption in your gut. Drink this fresh, raw watermelon elixir on an empty stomach about 1 hour before a heavy workout or an evening performance for maximum vasodilation. But unlocking your natural circulation with watermelon is only one piece of the puzzle when it comes to mastering your biology after 40. If you want to keep discovering these hard-hitting, science-backed truths to naturally reclaim your edge, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and like this video to help other men break free from standard aging myths. Let's test something in the comments. Drop a comment below right now and tell me if you have been throwing away the white watermelon rind your entire life, or if you already knew about this secret. Let's see who is ready to change their routine.